All right, YouTube, we're gonna do a little product review of the magnetic smart case for Xbox. We'll see how this looks. Got this from Amazon today for $25 plus the shipping. So I'm just gonna open this thing right here. Honestly, feels pretty heavy. I know they came out like last year with some other stuff, some other designs, but I saw this one and I was like, this one looks tough. Looks like an old school computer. Put this guy on here quick. Bring it up here. Just put it like this. Looks like it's gonna go just like that. Honestly, looks pretty neat. So, show you guys the back. If you want something cool for your Xbox, you know, spice it up a little bit, I'd say definitely cop one of these bad boys. Let's turn her on. Oh yeah. So there is the magnetic Xbox skin case, however you want to call it. So thanks for watching.